Hi and welcome to Canvas Photo. Saving your photos from camera to canvas. In this short video, we'll show you how to create your canvas, adding text, converting to grayscale, and if you want, color the edge of your canvas. Our size guide will give you an idea of how your canvas will look on your wall. Browse through of styles and sizes, and select the canvas you'd like to create. After you've selected your canvas size, allow the Customize this design to open and click on it. Our Studio page will open where you can upload, edit or personalize your canvas. To upload your photo, just click on the canvas, select your photo from your files and open. Allow a moment for your photo to upload. When ready, it will automatically fill the canvas. By dragging the corner dots, you can resize the photo and then reposition it within the canvas. This is now ready to order by clicking on the Submit button. Now let's see how to add a color to the edge of the canvas, convert to grayscale, and add text. In the Designs tab, select the Color Edge option. You can click on the canvas again to upload a photo, or drag your photo from the panel and drop it onto the canvas. It's important to drag and drop your photo to fill the entire canvas. To change from full color, click on the Edit Picture icon and choose from one of the color convert options. Here we'll choose to change the photo to grayscale. Now let's change the color of the edge. Simply click on the canvas edge and pick a color from the color list. Okay, let's add some text. Click on the text icon, then click on the text and type your own wording. Now choose a type style. Again, use the corner dots to resize and drag to position your text. Now click the color icon and color your text. That's it. All done. Just submit and add to cart.